Did you know that a walking tour in India offers an immersive experience through its rich culture and stunning landscapes? As you wander through the ancient streets, the sounds of local vendors and the aroma of spices fill the air. Each step reveals the vibrant traditions and culinary delights that define India's diverse regions. From the towering Himalayas to sacred temples, every location tells a story of spirituality and natural beauty. Festivals like Holi capture the spirit of community and joy, while weddings showcase the rich tapestry of Indian culture. As the sun sets, the Ganges comes alive with rituals, and vibrant street performances reflect the pulse of urban life. From the golden deserts to rural craftsmanship, India reveals its beauty and creativity in each corner. In urban settings, modernity blends with tradition, while playful moments capture the essence of daily life in India. Art forms like henna reflect personal stories and celebrations, while historical sites like the Ajanta caves offer a glimpse into India's rich heritage. Markets are vibrant hubs of creativity and commerce, while dining experiences highlight the rich flavors and hospitality that India has to offer.